Ready, go!
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I win.
Casper did a big jump and I did a small jump. Again. Tennis? I love tennis.
Sure.
I'm really good at tennis. Let's play a game. All I have to do is hit the ball over the net. I think I will win.
No, I will win.
Let's play a match.
Hands up. Hands up.
Oh, it's broken. Oh. Let's go.